can you find the area of this triangle right here? Pause the video right now if you want to give it a try. Alright, do you have your answer? Did you try to use the formula that you learned in elementary school to find the area of a triangle? 1/2 times base times height? If so, I'm sorry to break it to you, but this won't work. Why? Because for this formula, you're going to need to know the height of the triangle, which is the line that goes from the point opposite the base all the way down to the base and makes a right angle with it. And we don't know the length of the height. So how are we supposed to find the area of this triangle? If you're a little confused right now, then you're probably in the right place, because you're watching Crazy Calculations, and for today's Crazy Calculation, we're going to learn about Heron's Formula. What is Heron's Formula? Heron's Formula allows you to find the area of a triangle just by knowing its side lengths, so this will be really helpful for finding the area of that triangle. This is Heron's Formula. The S's stand for the semi-perimeter, which is half of the perimeter, and A, B, and C are just the 3 side lengths of the triangle. We can use Heron's Formula to find the area of this triangle. The first step is to find the semi-perimeter, and to do that we need to find the perimeter first. So the perimeter is 5 plus 8 plus 10, which is 23. And that makes the semi-perimeter 11.5. Now all we need to do is plug 11.5 and our 3 side lengths into Heron's Formula. And this is what we get. So next, I'm going to simplify everything in these parentheses to get this, and then I'm going to multiply everything together to get the square root of 392.4375, or also approximately 19.8. And of course, nobody likes to lose points on their test from forgetting to label their answer, so we're going to need our unit squared. How about you try this next one on your own? Find the area of this triangle right here using Heron's Formula. If you don't remember Heron's Formula, that's okay, because I'll just leave it right here, and of course, don't forget to pause the video before I reveal the answer. Are you ready to see the answer? Just like before, we need to find the semi-perimeter first, and to do that we need to know the perimeter. The perimeter is 13 plus 15 plus 16, which is 44, which makes our semi-perimeter 22. Then we're going to plug it into Heron's Formula along with the side lengths, so we get this, and then when we simplify everything in our parentheses, we get this, and when we multiply everything together, we get the square root of 8,316, or approximately 91.2. And of course, we need our units squared. And that's it for this video. As you can see, Heron's Formula is a relatively simple and easy way to find the area of a triangle. Like always, if you have any questions, comments, videos you want to see, or anything else you want to say, feel free to drop a comment down below. And other than that, I'll see you next time.